damit ko guys. And this one I'm ready to. Sipin na natin to. Oh my god. Yan. My bag. Luggage. Yan, ready na ang person. Tomorrow, syempre, kailangan kasi sana everyone ready. Very fast to pack my things, everyone. Of course, girls food lang tayo. Marami dito sa one. I'm ready to. Tapos,